Are You With Me Now by Cate. She is Welsh. There's definitely a pattern to this song, so I'll teach you that, and I'm going to play it the way she plays it, and then I'll talk about alternative ways to play it, because she uses bar chords for the F and G. That I love, buried deep within my brow. I see no reason to run. I see no reason. Are you with me now? Are you with me now? Okay, that was just a little run through. The verses have I'm going to teach you 3 patterns. There's one pattern for the verse, and then there's a second pattern that both the verse and the chorus share, and then there's a third pattern that's used only during the chorus. So it sounds more complicated than it is. Introduction is the same as the verses, so let's cover that first. And by the way, the drummer counts it off 1, 2, 1, 2. That's the rhythm. So it's A minor, F, G. That's pattern number 1. A minor, F, G. The little riff she plays is just a G pentatonic shape. It starts on the 3rd fret of the high E. Go 3, 5, then slide up to 7. After we are up on the 7, we pick it again. You slide down to the 5, pull off onto the 3, and then pick, as you do the pull off, you pick. And then from the 3 on the high E, you go 5, 3 on the B, and then go right into the D minor. That's the second pattern, D minor, F, G. So on the verse, we go A minor, F, G. Then we alternate D minor, F, G, back to A minor, F, G, then D minor, F, G. Now the chorus actually starts on the G of the verse. Are you with me now? C, F, G. That's the 3rd pattern. C minor, or just C. C, F, G. And then on the chorus, that's for the chorus. then it goes to the D minor, F to G. F, G. Are you with me now? C, F, G. That second line of the chorus, all they do is just sing R. So, are you with me now? F, G. Go to the D minor. Are you with me now? So you probably already figured out the chorus just substitutes C for the A minor. And that makes sense. A minor is the relative minor of C. So they share all the same notes. So that means harmonically you can sing the same melody over them and it'll sound good. But it does give, the C gives a more uplifting feel, happy feel. Those are the three patterns, you get it. Yeah, and I showed you the riff. Oh, the riff I think always goes into the D minor. And I believe she only plays it when she's not singing. When she's singing, she's not playing the riff. I don't believe. Now, if you don't play bar chords, what can you do? You can use the simplified F shape and then just slide it up to the G. F, G. So playing that way would be like. Now you might want to leave out that little riff too. You don't have to play that. What she does is when she doesn't play the riff, she does that. She just plays the G, B, G 2 times. Kind of with the same rhythm as the riff. Then D minor. So you could substitute that. You don't have to play the riff. Just go. All right. So that's for those of you who want to. Then you don't need any bar chords. A minor. F. G. D minor. F. G. And then for the chorus. C, F, G, and D minor. I think my guitar's out of tune, so sorry about that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have fun playing that song. Bye.